everyone. Today I am going to be looking at boxycharm for April. My boxycharm is the US version, and today I am doing this in collaboration with my friend Ilinca from Canada. Ilinca has a beauty channel where she will do makeup reviews, she will do a couple of unboxings here and there, several tutorials. She loves colors, and every now and then she'll do a vlog with her family, so she is a fun one to watch. Her boxycharm just happens to be different from mine. A couple of weeks ago I was looking through my feed and I noticed that I couldn't recognize any of the products that she was showing from her boxy. Mine is the base model, which I will put the price right here. Ilinca usually gives you the final value of the box by the end of her video, so I am going to go ahead and do that here as well, so that we know if there's even a value difference on the contents of the box. So this would be fun, and it would be even more hilarious if this month it just so happens that both Ilinca and I get the same videos. So I invite you to go watch her channel after you're done. I will put a link to her channel down below so you can go there next. Let's start with the new company, The Pill. And the cool thing about this product, it has a whole bunch of different acids like vitamin C, AHA, and AHA, which I think it's hyaluronic acid.
Everything your skin needs in one daily dose, just like a pill.
In one little vial, so it's super potent. You're supposed to just use one little pump and get your skin nice and prepped. All the acids that would depuff, remove skin, rejuvenate, and actually, it has no scent, by the way, with all the serums that you would be putting, but all in one pill, like in one pump. On its own, it will remove dead skin cells, regenerate skin, depuff, and hydrate. I like the idea of the product, and right now I am currently testing a line of products, so I can't use it to give you a final thought on this, but it does feel like it goes on, and it's one of those that leaves a little bit of a residue. I can't tell that there's something there. And it could be just stickiness from the vitamin C. And the MSRP, $85. Now the next product is the Complex Culture Future So Bright palette. I just love the names of these. I think I have another one that's similar, or at least around Christmas time, I received a smaller palette that had a similar name, and I'll put the link right here for you to take a look at it and the colors on that palette. But the cute thing I thought about this, first of all, the packaging is lovely, and it has this gorgeous gold rim to it. And inside, there's this card, it's a see-through card telling you which brush you should use, which shade, or where you should use each brush. One to define, one to shade, and one to blend. That's kind of cute. And the colors are gorgeous. There is a lovely mix of shimmer and matte colors that can be used in separate palettes with pinks as well as peaches and a plum and yellow combo that's really lovely. So pretty. I will just give you a look at the 4 shimmer shades that they have. You can see they're very gentle shades, very pigmented. The consistency looks glittery on the palette, but you can see that it's quite mellow on my fingers. Looking forward to trying these out for you guys. That lovely palette is $30.
I take that back. That glittery shade is very sparkly, chunky shade with the lightest one. It looks like something a fairy would wear. I'd have fun with it. Isn't that pretty?
Now this next product is a detoxifying mask by I'm sorry, I don't know. It has some superfoods in here that will both detoxify, remove dead cells, and remove impurities from your face, as well as feed your face. It has things like matcha green tea and lemongrass, which I know I'll like the scent. The specific clay, it's called bentonite clay. I will put a description of what it does right here for you. Yes, it smells delicious. I love it. Clean and fresh. Quite heavy, so it will be nice and thick. I am looking forward to using this because for some reason I've been using Retin-A that keeps bringing things up, and I feel like I need a good mask to remove some of the impurities that have been popping up since the last couple weeks. Looking forward to using this. This mask is about $30. The next product is the Item Beauty Lash Snack. I love the name, and the reason they gave it this name is because it's giving nutrition to your eyelashes. It has coconut oils and a couple of different oils. I'll put the names right here in it that will help keep your lashes hydrated so they don't fall off as quickly, in the color Midnight Blue. I love these little boxes from Items. This brand always has this cute little boxes. Sometimes you open the box from the middle, and sometimes you just pull it up from the top, if you can see. Wow, look at how pretty. It matches the box itself with this lovely ombre blue. It's supposed to have a real thin wand, which I have been looking forward to trying these mascaras with super thin ones. Oh, it's not as micro thin as I expected. I have seen this new mascara and I thought it was quite expensive, where the wand is so thin it's kind of like a rod with weaving through it, and I thought that was a good idea because it's supposed to kind of like go into your eyelashes. So I'm gonna try that sometime. But anyway, this one, they claim it will lengthen your lashes by 3 times. Let's see about that. They also claim that it is flake free, which is always a win for me. So this is only $15. Woo! And the very final item is the Persona Cosmetics lip liner. It is made with cottonseed and jojoba oil, so it's very hydrating and it should glide quite easily. It has this color, which is a brown color, so I'm thinking it's probably best used as a base. It does glide on very easily, but I don't know why they chose this color. This is not a color that goes good with everybody, but there it is. And this lip liner is $14. The value for this April box, the Spring Revival box, is $174. Not bad when you just paid this much for it. So now I hope you go over to Ilinca's channel to take a look at the Canadian version of the April boxycharm.